Oh, straight ahead.
I got a bruiser mod.
That's unfortunate. Wait, can we get back through here?
Oh, we can.
They did. There's 3 of them. Oh, it says take the stairs. That's for Diesel Deucey right there. Why did they put 3 in this? Oh, that's...
This one was like a frame or like a service.
Ah, okay. This is the David M. French Hall, if I didn't say it. 5 floors.
These are traction.
Tiny, too. Pretty shaky.
See where the old indicator was.
Oh, yeah. They probably replaced these cabs, too, I would imagine.
Set it down.
These don't look that old. Go ahead and hit the door close. Yeah, these have got to be newer cabs. Because, like, yeah.
You want to try to see if you can get the surface one?
Was there a call button for it? What's weird is that they have ceiling lights, but they don't use them. There's, like, these weird LED side lights. Yeah, we can try. I mean, we're in that room where no one was, so we'll have to see if there's like a hidden call button, because it's obviously not on the control with these. Go ahead out. See if there's like... No, it's just a key switch, I would think. I mean, you can try hitting it, because it says it's on 3, but I bet that one's just going to come. Oh, no, it's this one. All right, well, we try. Oh, wait, it says it's coming down, though.
It's here.
Okay. Oh, go ahead and send it up to 5. So this is pretty much the same as the other ones, just longer. Oh, it's faster, it feels like. These are all kind of shaky.
Yeah, I believe these used to be Dover.
With what, like traditional fixtures?
Maybe.
Unless it was like a custom impulse. There's a big best lock on there. I wonder what that goes to. Go ahead and hit 1.
I can set it down.
Okay. And door close doesn't work. Oh. Same cab, just a different configuration. I assume that best lock is for 1R. When we get down to 1, if no one's waiting, I'll tap 1R and see if it opens. Probably just opens into a corridor. 3,500 pound capacity. It's not really a...
It's shaky.
Nice. I'm seeing a theme with these elevators on this campus. So there that goes. Go ahead and once this... No, it's locked. But, oh, it is so hot. There it goes. Those aren't terrible elevators, though. They would have been cooler original. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe and click like if you like what you see, and follow me on the web at isaac24.com. Bye-bye.